Natural Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Wood Apple Resources. Class 2 EVS. I'm your teacher Vani. Here are your friends.
I am Bhupi. I am Abby.
Today I'm going to teach you Chapter 9. Breathe and Drink. Hello dear children. Are you ready to take a thrilling trip and discover the uses and importance of water and air? Let us begin our journey with this picture. Students, look at the picture and name the activities in which we use water or air.
We use water for drinking, washing clothes, and watering plants. And we use air to fill in football, burn fire, and dry clothes.
Well done, Whoopi. So dear students, from the picture, we learn that we use water and air for different purposes. Hello friends, let us listen to a conversation between Finny the fish and Kuhu the koel. Finny lives in a fishbowl in Amit's drawing room. Kuhu the koel comes to meet her friend Finny sitting at the window near the fishbowl. Kuhu invites Finny to fly in the air, but Finny tells her that she cannot leave the water. Finny reminds Kuhu that even though she flies, she still needs water to drink. Finny says,
I live in water because it has some air in it. Both of us need air to breathe.
Finny wonders if Kuhu can see the air. Kuhu explains that we can't see air, but we can feel it and see its effects when trees, leaves, or clothes sway. Kuhu says,
Air is special because it has no shape, color, smell, or taste. It fills space, has weight, and is needed to burn fire.
Finny finds this interesting and points out that water is similar. Water also has no shape, color, smell, or taste. It takes the shape of any container and has weight, but unlike air, we can see and touch water. Water is used to put out fires. Finny says,
Water is very special too.
इसका मतलब हवा और पानी दोनों ही हमारे लिए जरूरी है। हवा और पानी का कोई आकार, रंग, खुशबू और स्वाद नहीं होता। पानी अपने आकार को बर्तन के आकार के अनुसार बदल सकता है। हवा और पानी का वजन होता है। हवा का उपयोग सांस लेने, पक्षियों के उड़ने, आग जलाने में होता है। पानी का उपयोग हम पीने, पेड़ों को देने, नहाने, खाना बनाने, साफ सफाई करने, आग बुझाने में करते हैं।
Kuhu talks about how it's difficult to find fresh and clean air these days. Smoke from vehicles, factories, burning garbage, and dust mix with the air and make it polluted. Polluted air causes many problems for humans, plants, and animals. Kuhu says,
Polluted air can cause asthma and dry coughs. Germs in the air can cause diseases like the common cold, TB, tuberculosis, measles, and even corona.
to protect ourselves from these diseases, it is necessary that we wash our hands, use masks, and use sanitizer. Finny shares that her relatives living in lakes, ponds, and seas are also facing problems. These water bodies are becoming unfit for them to survive because people are making water dirty by throwing waste from factories, homes, washing, and bathing. Finny says,
Consuming dirty water makes people sick and they suffer from diseases like jaundice, cholera, and typhoid.
to protect ourselves from these diseases, It is necessary that we always drink clean water. So friends, both air and water are very important for life. We need to keep them clean and healthy to stay safe and happy. All of us need water to drink. The water that is safe for drinking is called potable water. It is very important to keep the drinking water clean.
How can we keep drinking water clean?
To keep the drinking water clean, we should store drinking water in clean, covered containers. Always filter the water before drinking it to make sure it's clean and safe. Nowadays, people boil or use water purifiers to make the water clean and safe for drinking. Remember, water is precious, so we should save it. Here are some precautions that we can take to save water. Don't play with water while brushing your teeth or taking a shower. Turn off the tap when you're not using it. Fix leaky taps and pipes. Even a small drip can waste a lot of water over time. Never leave the tap open when you're not using it. Did you know that many foods contain water? Foods like watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, milk, and curd help keep us hydrated too. So friends, remember to drink clean, potable water and do your best to save water every day. Water is very important for our health and for our environment. Air and water are both very important and useful, but no one is saving them.
What can we do to save them?
As we know, pollution is mixing harmful substances in the environment. The smoke emitted from factories and vehicles causes air pollution. To make the air clean, we should plant more trees, as trees give us oxygen, which makes the air pure and clean. Factories should be set up away from residential areas. We should use public transport, cycle, or walk for short distances. We should not burn garbage. The wastewater of factories mixes into bodies of water. Throwing garbage in the water and bathing animals in water causes water pollution. To make the water clean, we should avoid such activities and use them wisely. We should also reuse water after washing vegetables and fruits to water plants and after washing clothes to clean toilets and mop the floor.
Now onwards, I will start caring for air and water and motivate others to do so.
Good! If we all put in efforts and take initiatives to make the earth clean, it will smile and be very happy.
मतलब हम सभी मिलकर हवा और पानी को pollution free बना सकते हैं.
Today we learned air is used for breathing, burning, drying clothes, etc. Water is used for bathing, cooking, washing clothes, cleaning, watering plants, etc. Air cannot be seen or touched. We can feel air. Air is invisible. Air and water do not have color, smell, taste, or shape. Air and water have weight. They occupy space and change their shape. Water can be seen and touched. The mixing of harmful substances in the environment is pollution. Impure air and water contains germs and make us ill. Dirty air causes many diseases like coughing, wheezing, common colds, tuberculosis, coronavirus, and asthma. Dirty water causes many diseases like jaundice, cholera, and typhoid. Prevention of air and water pollution. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Wood Apple Resources.